12th part of Identities. Today I am discussing problems in page number 94. Look at the first question. Mark 4 numbers forming a square in a calendar. Add the square of the diagonal pair and find the difference of these sums. You are given the numbers 4, 5, 11 and 12. 4 numbers in a calendar. Now you are asked to find the square of the diagonal pair. That is 4 square plus 12 square gives you 160. Similarly, 5 square plus 11 square gives you 146. The difference between these two numbers gives you 14. Look at the first part of the question. Do this for other 4 numbers. Let me discuss the first part of the question. We are asked to take 4 other numbers. So I took 6. After 5 you get 6. The next number is 7. Under 6 in a calendar you will get 6 plus 7, 13. The next number is 14. Okay. Now let us find the square of the diagonal. Okay. So you get 14 square plus 6 square. That gives you 14 square is 196 added to 6 square gives you 36. Add the two numbers, children. You will get 12, 1 balance, 13, 1 balance, 232. Now take the next diagonal. You get 13 square plus 7 square. Let me add 13 square with 7 square. 13 square value, we know it is 169. So 169 plus 7 square, 49. 9 plus 9, 18. 11, 1 balance, you are getting 218. Now what you have to find? The difference between these two numbers. The difference between 232 and 218. If you subtract, 12 minus 8 gives you 4, 2 minus 1 gives you 14. So you will understand the difference between the diagonal products will be always 14. The next part of the question, explain using algebra why this difference is 14 always. To explain this in algebra, we are going to take the first number as x. Then what is the next number? X plus 1. What about the number under 4? If it is 4, you get 4 plus 7, 11, isn't it? So we will be getting x, x plus 1, x plus 7 and x plus 8. Okay. We are explaining the second part of the question. We took the 4 numbers using algebra. The first number is taken as x. The second number x plus 1. The number which is under x is x plus 7. Next number x plus 8. So as we did before, we have to find the square of the diagonal products. That is, we have to find out x square plus x plus 8 the whole square. Okay. This is equal to x square is x square itself plus x plus 8 the whole square is of the form a plus b the whole square. We use the identity a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here we get x square plus 2 times a into b. That is 2 8s are 16. 16 into x gives you 16x. 8 square value gives you 64. We can write one more step. This is equal to x square plus x square gives you 2x square plus 16x plus 64. Let us consider the second diagonal. We get x plus 1 the whole square plus x plus 7 the whole square. X plus 1 the whole square added to x plus 7 the whole square. Let us expand it. X plus 1 the whole square gives you x square plus 2x plus 1 plus x plus 7 the whole square gives you x square plus 2 7s are 14, 14 into x, 14x plus 7 square value 49. Now let us add x square term to x square term. So we get 2 times x square plus 2x added to 14x gives you 16x plus 1 added to 49 gives you 50. Now what we have to find? The difference between these two diagonal squares. So if you find the difference of these two numbers, you get difference is equal to 2x square plus 16x plus 64 minus of 2x square plus 16x plus 50. That is equal to 2x square plus 16x plus 64. This minus sign is common for all the three terms, isn't it? So you get minus 2x square minus 16x minus 50. Now 2x square cancels with minus 2x square, 16x cancels with minus 16x, 64 minus 50 gives you 14. So we have explained the difference between these two is always 14. Is it clear to you, children? Look at the second question. Take 9 numbers forming a square in a calendar and mark the 4 numbers at the corners. See, the 4 numbers are marked. Add the square of diagonal pairs and find the difference of these sums. Do this for other such 9 numbers. Let us take other 9 numbers. Okay, let me take 1. So I will get 1, 2, 3. Under 1, I should write 1 plus 7, which gives you 8. So 8, 9, 10. Under 8, I should write 8 plus 7, 15. So 15, 16, 17. Now what we have to do? We have to write the square of the diagonal products. So here you have to find the square of 17 square plus 1 square. You are finding the square of 17 added to the square of 1. 17 square gives you 289. 1 square value is 1 itself. So the answer is 290. Now we have to add the square of 3 and the square of 15. So 15 square plus 3 square, which gives you 225 added to 9. So the answer is 234. Now let us find the difference between these two numbers. So you get 290 minus 234, which is equal to 10 minus 4, 6 and 8 minus 3, which gives you 56. So we got 56 in the first case and 56 when we took 9 numbers. Now, second part of the question, explain using algebra why the difference is 56. Now to explain this, we are using our 7th standards idea. That is, whenever you are given 9 numbers in a calendar, we always take the middle number as x. If you take the middle number as x, the previous number is 1 less than x, the next number is 1 more than x, isn't it? Similarly, here the number is x minus 1 minus 7, which gives you x minus 8. The next number, x minus 1 plus 7, which gives you x plus 6. So you should remember these 9 numbers in the calendar, children. Now let us add the square of x minus 8 and also x plus 8. Okay, so you get x minus 8 the whole square plus x plus 8 the whole square, which is of the form a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Now the expansion of x minus 8 the whole square, x square minus 16x plus 64 added to x plus 8 the whole square. Expansion x square plus 16x plus 64. Now let us add the 2. Okay, if you add the 2, you get x square plus x square. 2x square minus 16x cancels with plus 16x plus 64 plus 64 gives you 128. Is it clear? Now take x minus 6 the whole square and x plus 6 the whole square. X minus 6 the whole square plus x plus 6 the whole square. This is of the form a minus b the whole square plus a plus b the whole square. You get x square minus 12x plus 36, and here you get x square plus 12x plus 36. Now let us add the 2. X square plus x square, 2x square minus 12x cancels with plus 12x. 36 plus 36 gives you 72. Now what we have to find? The difference of these sums. From 2x square plus 128, you are going to subtract 2x square plus 72. Then what happens, children? 2x square cancels with 2x square. 128 minus 72 gives you 56. So we can understand the difference between these sums is always 56. Look at the last question of this exercise, children. Again you are given 9 numbers. Here the question is multiply the diagonal pairs. So 3 is multiplied with 19, you get 57. 17 multiplied by 5 gives you 85. Difference between these two numbers is 28. Do this for other set square. That you can do and you will understand it is always is equal to 28. Okay, you try with another pair of 9 numbers. I will explain the second part of the question. Explain using algebra why the difference is always 28. So as we did for the previous problem, we took the middle number as x. So the 9 numbers in the calendar are x minus 1, x plus 1, x minus 8, x minus 7, x minus 6, etc. We are going to find the product of these two numbers, that is x minus 8 multiplied with x plus 8. We have studied the identity a minus b into a plus b gives you a square minus b square. So x minus 8 multiplied with x plus 8 gives you x square minus 8 square, which is x square minus 64. Now take the other diagonal. You get x minus 6 and x plus 6. The product of x minus 6 with x plus 6. You get x square minus 6 square. X square minus 6 square gives you x square minus 36. Find the difference between these two. That is x square minus 36 minus of x square minus 64. That is x square minus 36 minus x square minus of minus gives you plus 64. Cancel x square with minus x square. 64 minus 36 gives you 28. So we have explained using algebra the difference to be always equal to 28. Okay, children, this chapter is over. The revision of this chapter we will see in our next class. Thank you.